right, I guess.
Yeah, obviously tough conditions, and it's obviously tough to play. You know, it's always a hard game playing against our island brothers. But you know, we're quite happy with what we came out to do. You know, we set to what we planned to play against Samoa, and you know, going forward, I think we're happy and we'll go with it.
You be pleased to get a try yourself?
Yeah, I was quite lucky there. I wasn't too sure whether the ball was either on their position or my position, but you know, I was happy to kind of get there, and the old legs did get me over the line, so I was quite happy with that.
When was the last time you played a game in these sort of conditions?
In this condition.
Well, it's been a while. I guess being a junior playing in New Zealand, and you're always playing in the muddy fields, but you know, we just got to turn up, and we've just got to have the right mindset, and just got to go out there and perform.
What are you guys going to take out of this game going forward? Off to Japan next day.
Off to Japan, and we know how fast they play. We know how confident they are with the ball, and so you know, we obviously can't use our big boys again, and we're going to have to share the workload across the park. You know, we're quite happy with what we've done today, especially in their 22, and there's just a lot more areas around our discipline area that we can try and work on, because we know that the Japanese guys will definitely come and they'll jump straight on it. So, yeah.
Yeah, and those two yellows seem to be like maybe the tipping point in the game. Like it was pretty close, and then you guys just didn't have the numbers for the last 10 minutes.
Yeah, that again is quite tough, and that's just ill discipline, I guess. You know, we can't have those sort of penalties coming into big games like Japan and Fijians, and obviously the All Blacks, and you know, that's a lot to take in. We have to take this on board, and we've got to work on it. Go away next week and hopefully do well against the Japs.
How was it losing Nasi so late in the process?
Yeah, it's always hard losing a big figure in our team. Nasi brings a lot of leadership and a lot of experience into this pack, and you know, we're quite sad that you know he had to leave early, and yeah, we know that all our boys will definitely pay it forward, and you know, we'll definitely perform for him, and wherever we go, you know, we've got Nasi with us.
Anything else?
No, again, thank you for the hospitality here in Samoa. It's been great. I think the boys have enjoyed themselves. Obviously the pitch was a bit playing up, but you know, we're happy. We enjoyed our stay. We just got to hope for some more games coming in.
All the best for the rest of the game.
Thank you.
The game today, how was it for you guys, given the condition that you're in today?
Oh, I think there's some good positive stuff there, but you know, I think the penalties and the 2 yellow cards probably did it for us in the end. Yeah.
Okay, losing your captain like the day before the game, was that part of it?
Oh yeah, disappointing, but that stuff happens. You know, you just have to roll with the punches. We had a replacement. We brought someone on the bench. You know, so those things happen.
You talked about like the forwards and set piece and stuff being so crucial, especially given what the conditions were going to be. How do you reckon you guys performed?
I thought the set piece struggled a bit today, especially the line out. But you know, we're working through some stuff. It was a great trial for us. You know, great game. So you know, we'll go back and relook at it and see what improvements we can make for next week.
Is there, like, I'm guessing conditions aren't going to be like this, probably, maybe not again this year, right? So what can you sort of take away, like, or is it a case of starting again?
Yeah, no, look, it's good to just get a game together under our belts. That's the main thing. Look, I don't think anyone's played in conditions like that ever before. So it's good to experience, but hopefully it doesn't happen again. But you know, like I said, there's some positives there and some work-ons that we'll take away.
And looking ahead, who do you guys have next?
So we go to Japan on Monday.
Yeah, and to play Japan.
Yeah, we got Japan in Osaka.
Okay. Is there, like, playing, I'm not sure, like, where you guys are playing during the World Cup, but, like, that's obviously a chance to play in the conditions you guys will be in later in the year?
Yeah, totally. I mean, all the tracks in Japan are usually fast and hard, so we should get the right conditions for us.
Good luck with the rest of your game.
Sorry?
Good luck with the rest of your meeting.
Oh, thank you. Thanks, guys.